Good afternoon all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic Edra Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session we start the practical number 17, 18 and 19 on course that is subject applied multimedia techniques. Here marks allocation for theory and practical. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Department mission in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here, course outcomes after the completion of this practical, you achieve second CO, that is edit images using graphical processing tools. Here practical course outcome matrices. On that today's practical session we conduct which practical number 17, 18, 19. This will be map with second CO. To that you already downloaded the lab manual. Okay, practical number 17, apply effects on text to design poster. These are the practical significances. After that, program outcomes. Which program outputs are there? Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and lifelong learning. For that, PO means practical outcomes. What is the practical outcomes? Design poster by using different text effects. In that, minimum theoretical background for text. Complete the table, result, conclusion. Okay. In that, 3 theory questions are there that are homework for you. The practical questions and that demonstrate you. First, visit the following URL, perform the following task. Visit that URL. Okay. Add your name, select the logo as per requirement, save the logo at specified location. Okay. First of all, go that URL. I am already downloaded it. Enter your, what is the series? Enter your name. Okay, for example, I am enter name as a SYIT or information technology. You choose which effect that are selected. Okay. Any changes, change it, otherwise done. That give the text. Customize it. Okay, and done. This site is already used in a previous practicals. Okay, then directly download that. In that location download it. This will be take 1. Okay, this is the first question. After that, in the second question, visit the following URL and perform the following task. Visit this URL. In that set as the create the new design, new canvas. After that, you use the pick the design type from available dimensions. Finalize the poster, add the text, background, etc. Okay. Go in and already downloaded that. Choose the any poster. For example, choose that poster. Customize template. in that design type, change the dimension. Okay, change the dimension as a resize. Okay, the change will be signed. After that we set as the any clip art text will be added. We want add the fancy text. That's like, okay, add it. That's like, okay, that what is the here, add the fancy text, background, etc. Change the background. You want to add the clip art, then add it. Layout, change it, then also change it. Any sounds are added, then it is also possible. For example, change the any color, then change it, otherwise not. This like, okay, just save it. Okay, otherwise don't do it. That that download it, that will be taken that image, that poster. Okay, complete it. In a practical question, 3 questions are there, that are the theory questions, and 1 question extra questions are added in a PPT that are also performed on a practical. So that practical number 18, and that is practical number 17. Complete that software and add in a table practical related questions. In that visit that URL post, and in that create the advertise of any shop. Okay, and in the exercise question, for second question, take a banner, okay, of your college as a IT department. Result output of these procedures are I write each questions. By this practicum, I am able to apply effects on text to design poster. Means in short, in that using through this practical, you create the design of, means different designs of posters. Okay, you create the banner, means in short you create the poster. Okay, in that you create the advertisements, you use the poster, and on that through poster through you advertise the any shop. You through poster through you create the banner. Clear it? Okay. After that, practical number 18, apply special effects on an image. This is the practical significance is PO, which basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experience and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. Outcome program, practical outcome is what? Apply special effects like broken mirror effect, flaming ball effect to an image. Okay, these are the minimum theoretical backgrounds. Image effects, after that completed table, result, conclusion. In that 3 questions, theory questions are there that are completed, extra questions are there that are added in a PPT. After that, these are the exercise questions. 3 questions are there. First of all, visit that URL, add the any required image. After that, give the effect, okay, and change the size of dimension, just like, okay, I have already that open it. First question, it is not a first question, I think this is first question. Okay, in the first question, add the required image and select the image which effects applied. Okay, change it. Okay, go there, choose any effect you want. insert a photo. First of all, add this, add the any image. This is not working properly, so try it. And let me know option to add the image. In that, actually add the image and give as any add the text that's like that have done the program. Sorry, run that example. But this edit your message in that. Okay, how to text, for example, hello. You change the color. change that. Okay, that's like change the text effects. Drag the top right corner, just like through, move that. Okay, to resize it. That's like you add the text effect on that image. This is your first question in under that. Okay, after that, visit the URL and perform the following task. Visit this URL and upload the image, apply the required effect and save it. Okay, this was second question. There, go in that. Okay, funny photos. In that, add the image. Apply required. It is the broken glass effects or automatically that apply it. Let's go in that. Okay. Any add a text, then add it. Book, apply. Any add a frame, then apply, otherwise not. Okay, edit that. This through these options are there. Using through options, you change it in there and given the text as a book that are displayed it. That's like, okay. After that, download or take a screenshot. This is your second question. After that, third question, visit that URL and select any templates from available templates. After that, select the template in editor and preset the size and with the name. Enter your name with the help of text. So we go in that. It is close that. We go in that and then first check the in a theory question. I'm added one extra question. These are the practical rating tables are completed. After that, practical rating question in that go in that URL and choose the template as the stream flame image and write your name. So in the, when this question is solved, that time to use this bursting flames. Okay, and in another check in under that select the template. For example, check select it. That's like okay. Download it, otherwise taking a screenshot. Okay, I'm saying the extra questions in that in this under the template. These are the all practicals are depend on internet, so some are slowing that. Okay, choose any template and under that and add your name. Okay, this is your 3 questions. After that, extra questions in a practical question. Okay, after that, result, conclusion, completed it. That the questions are demonstrative. Okay, you complete your practical number 18. Okay, after that, output of this procedure, right after each question, by this practical number, I am able to apply special effects on image. After that, in a practical number 19, these are the repeated of the practical number 1B. Okay. Yes, this is the practical number 19 is repeated. The practical number 1B is already completed in a first practical. So that I refer it, means copy that practical number 19. Okay, this question, this already taken in a practical number 1B. Okay, are taken in a practical, in a first practical. So that I repeated it. So that completed once again. Okay. So practical number 19. Homework, summary on that today's practical. On that practical number 17, 18, 19 are completed it. All practical number 19 is already completed in a practical number 1B. So repeat this. So again write the copyright on a practical number 1B. In a 17 practical, by this practical I am able to apply effects on a text to design the poster. In an 18 I am able to give a wall. So summary on today's practical session. Practical number 7, after practical number 18, by this practical I am able to apply special effects on image. After that, practical number 19 are repeated this practical number 1B, that are completed it. Homework for you, prepare your practical number 17, 18, 19 in a notebook. Here stop on today's practical session. In this practical session, any doubts are created, then contact with me. Thank you.